Well, we have chamomile tea, which is used also as like to help with pollination and to create diversity. There's some kale back there. These are beets. I don't know if you can see them in the video. This is I forget, vegetable. Sorry about that.
It's okay.
This is bok choy. This is kohlrabi. This is cucumber, and these are sunflowers, which also helps with attracting pollinators, and it's going to give the cucumber something to climb.
Okay, awesome. Maybe we'll just cut through to the other side of the front. We've got some miracle berry here, some pineapple growing, comfrey. Yeah. We can go along this way. Pomegranate?
Yes.
We have pomegranate here, rosemary. What's this one?
Curry leaf.
Curry leaf. And then now we can go into the backyard and I'll give you guys a tour of that.
Johnny, come on. Gotta corral the dogs. Johnny, come. Josie, Johnny, come. Can you edit it? Johnny. Johnny's part vegan. He likes to eat flies. Johnny, come on, boy.
There's 3 dogs here and they're all vegan. That's vegan.
Come on, guys. Johnny. Oh my goodness. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Back here we have sugar apple trees. Oh, these are carrots here. This is the sugar apple tree. There's a big one. Another big one. We have a banana tree. What is this?
Pomegranate.
Pomegranate.
Elderberry.
Tomatoes. Lemon balm, right?
Lemon balm. Mustard greens.
Mustard greens.
Sugar cane.
Another really awesome thing is this huge mango tree here. You said it had like thousands of mangoes this season, right?
Yeah, thousands.
Yeah, thousands of mangoes. And the last thing I'll show, the toilet paper leaf. So this is really cool. This leaf you can use as toilet paper. It's really awesome. It's soft, it's sustainable, so it's good for our planet. And
it regenerates very quickly.
which is awesome. So that's all for the tour of the farm. Thank you guys all for watching. As always, thank you for tuning in. The tip that I'll close out with is if you can't start your own farm or garden, what you can do is use sprouts that you have from potatoes that you might be eating or that you might have in your house, or seeds from fruits that you might have, and you can just start there. But thank you all for watching, and in the meantime, go vegan.